Narayana Murthy sir would be one of the most happiest person right now. Why? Because the Karnataka government has put forward a new plan, a new policy that will allow the IT employees to work 12-hour work day. Yes, you heard it right, 12-hour per day. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss what exactly is happening in Karnataka state, which has the city Bangalore, which is one of the IT capital and called as Silicon Valley of India. We are going to discuss what exactly is happening in detail. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. Now, I have observed that a lot of people, almost 90% of the people who are watching our videos, our informative videos, are not subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you have already not subscribed, please do subscribe and share this video with all of your friends working in the IT. Now I want to show you some memes which are being shared on the internet. What are those memes? Karnataka government proposes 12-hour work days for IT employees. Meanwhile, Narayana Murthy sir. Here you can see that they should call this Narayana Murthy hours. Narayana Murthy side में नाच रहे हैं. Here someone is saying Narayana Murthy watching this news. मजा आ रहा है, मेरा जूस कहाँ है? क्या बात है, बढ़िया. So now what exactly is happening, right? So lot of companies were moving forward 10 hours policy, 10-hour working shift for employees. Why? They want to harness more power. They want employees to work more and get more efforts and more estimation or more work that is to be done in one particular day so that they can get more billing. Okay. What will happen again in that case is that they are working 10 hours every day. So they can ask for more billing, okay, per hour basis. So this can happen also, right? And they will be able to deliver before time, right? So again, that same employees will be utilized for other projects. So if the company is delivering the project before timeline, they will be getting some more funds, right? This can happen. Okay. Now, next important thing, what exactly is going to be proposed in this amendment to labor laws? Okay. So potentially this will be extending, okay, the working hours up to 12 hours. Okay. And this has ignited a fierce debate and an explosion of memes on social media that I have already shown you, right? Specifically targeting Mr. Narayana Murthy sir. Okay. So this move is basically aimed of easing business operations in the IT sector, which has been a lot of opposition from employee unions and a wave of humorous like reactions and memes online, right? So now what this will help the IT companies is ease of doing operations. They will be having only then two shifts, right? No need to have three different shifts and pay extra money. Okay, in that case, if you consider it from a business perspective, it can be very beneficial for the companies, but it is dangerous for the employees because IT people, they have a lot of stress, they have a lot of workload, and they have to go through a lot of things daily. Okay, they have other things also, family and other things. So it will be difficult if, and again, one more thing is that traveling is one of the biggest part in Bangalore or in Karnataka for such as such. What basically is happening is that you have to travel for 1 hour, 2 hour every day, like to and fro to office, right? And this is again consuming a lot of time. You will not be able to give time to your family or your personal hobbies. So this can happen also. So a lot of IT unions are basically opposing this decision, opposing this amendment of labor laws, which is done by Karnataka government. Let us see where this takes us, because recently Genpact mentioned that they are going to increase the working hours from 9 hours to 10 hours per day. Yes, they are going to increase it to 10 hours. Yes. So without wasting any more time, again guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. And I would like to end our today's video with this one particular note. Do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about this 12-hour policy, whether they will be reducing the days of the week to 4 days. Right now it is 5 days for IT employees. If that is happening, what is your view on that particular point? Thank you and have a great day.